TraderCobb Crypto Podcast. This is the TraderCobb Crypto Podcast.
G'day everybody and welcome to the TraderCobb Crypto Show. What a day, what a day, what a day. Well, you all know I've been bullish since last Monday as we broke up through the 6,830 level, roughly, around that sort of figure. And now all of the people that came out of the woodwork to scream and shout, wrong. And no, I don't do this to be right. I do this to make money. But I can tell you right now, it does feel pretty bloody good to just know that they're sitting there going, oh, geez, I'm going to have to listen to this guy now. He actually knows what he's talking about. So thank you, market. Thank you for making me look good. Look, at the end of the day, I do what I do. I just read the charts. That's what I keep telling all of you guys. Now, I know most of you have converted. I know lots of you are doing the courses. I know lots of you are working with me, listening to me, following me. But the bottom line is this, guys. I just read the charts. I don't have any magic buttons. I don't have any special indicators. I don't go in and go, oh, look, all these shorts, all these. I don't look at that. I literally read what the price action is telling me. And if you've done my courses, you'll know that price action is God to me. It is my everything. And I've been doing this for 12 years. Yes, I get it wrong sometimes. Yes, the market can reverse and then reverse back. And it could very well do so again. But since I got since I got bullish, we've seen about a $2,000 move in the space of a week and a half. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty good right now. I'm very much in tune with this market at the moment, and I'm looking forward to seeing a progression of this trend, hopefully, for the rest of the year. I mean, let's see. Let's getting back up to the old highs. That's what would be absolutely unreal. Now, if I look across the top 10, we have had some pretty stellar moves. We are seeing Bitcoin being the third largest move of the day, which is very, very positive. Now, something else that I did also touch on yesterday was the market cap. The market cap was at 282 billion, I think it was, at the start of the day. Let me tell you where we're at now. We're just shy. We're $500 million shy of 300 billion. Again, we've got a long way to go, but we've started the long road of redemption. So I'm really happy with how the markets are looking right now. The one thing I'm waiting for, guys, honestly, I want to see a strong pullback. We haven't seen one yet. We haven't seen a solid pullback. We saw that mild consolidation, I'm going to call it, from back, that consolidation on the 4 hour that I was talking about, but we have not yet seen anything beyond that right now. I do really need to see a pullback. I've been very patient. Bitcoin gods, please give me something to trade here. Yes, it's very good for my investment portfolio. No doubt my investments are finally starting to tick back over into the green again, which is great. But look, I'm a trader. I want to find something to get some leverage on this puppy. I love trading Bitcoin. It's my favorite of all the tokens to trade, mainly because of the volatility, but also I love the fact that there's liquidity. It means I can take on a big position should I deem it necessary to do so. That's why I like trading within the top 10 and allows me to get the size positions that I like to trade with. But you know what, for me, I'm happy to sit back. I'm happy to wait for the best opportunities, because for me, I'm not looking to trade lots. I'm not looking to trade often. I'm looking to trade well. And that's what you guys should be focusing on as well. Is don't get caught up in this hype. It's definitely going gangbusters. Yes, we're seeing some big moves. I mean, we saw a big move yesterday. We saw a big move the day before. We are seeing momentum certainly coming back to Bitcoin. And you know what? It could continue. Like I said in my post on TradingView across my socials, if you're not on Facebook, get on there, TraderCobb, or you can go on to the Craig Cobb one. That's me. Hello. You can jump onto Twitter at TraderCobb. You can also find me these days on TradingView and on LinkedIn. I'm pretty much everywhere you open your eyes and look on the interweb. So get on there, get plugged in, and get started, because this is happening now. This is what I've been waiting for. I've not traded with you guys in a bull market. TraderCobb.com was started back in January of last year. We've seen the market fall throughout most of January, throughout most of the year, with little tiny periods of bullishness. Now, we've done well. We have. It's been good because we can short. We trade as we trade direction. That's all we do. But I tell you right now, the reason I'm in this market is for these astronomical runs to the upside. You get positioned, and I can tell you right now, there's people that are sending me screenshots, sending me little videos of how they've been doing. There was an opportunity on Bitcoin a little while back. It was a higher risk trade, but some people got it down around that $6,700 mark. tight stop, couple of $1,000 move right now, and those people have changed their lives. One, you know who you are, has pretty much paid for his wedding, and I'm stoked about that. That's the sort of stuff that really, really drives me. Yes, this business is doing me well financially, but it's more important to me. I'm not going to lie to you, I'm in business to make money, but it really is, it lights up my day when I see these screenshots coming through, when I see people saying that I'm changing their lives, and they're showing me this proof of it. It makes me, I can't really put it into words. I'm beyond stoked. That's probably a very Australian way of putting it, but the truth is I am beyond stoked. So keep going, guys, but got to stay humble. That's the thing. You've got to stay humble. Markets go well, then they can turn. You've got to manage your profits. You've got to understand where to get out this time. We've only just started this move, and we may see a few bumps in the road before we get to 10, 15, 20,000. I'm sure we will. But the bottom line is this: if it does get strangely parabolic, if things do get absolutely out of control, you should be considering your options, making sure that you do not go through what we saw in October, November, December, where we go all the way up to 20,000 and all the way back down to 6, and you're just left there, with your pants down, getting paddled by the backside. You do not want that. You do not need that. You need an education to understand when to get in and when to get out, and I can help you with that, guys. So have a fantastic day. I am glued to my screens. Unfortunately, I've got a couple of meetings today. I've got some very positive news coming up too. We've been looking at a number of exchanges to work with. We're now getting right into the final stages. I shouldn't say final stages. We're beyond the first stage. I've got 3 or 4 more to speak to. What I'm trying to do, as I keep on saying, I'm trying to get somebody who has a bankroll, who has the team, who has the ability, who has the vision to provide us traders with a professional trading platform to work from. Now, that's something where we may have an entry, stop loss, and target or multiple targets within the one orders book. Also, easy risk management tools, easy places to take your trades from so you can do your accounting. There's a whole bunch of things that we as traders need, professional traders need in this space that don't yet exist. I am trying my best to partner with somebody to help them to create what we need. So stand by. It is on its way, and I will find a solution. When? I don't know, but I'm working hard towards it. Have a good day, manage your risk, stay humble, and don't forget, patience, guys, patience. Have a good day. Bye.
The TraderCobb Crypto Podcast. Check out TraderCobb.com because experience matters.